Hey, it's Scott Young here. If you're watching this video, you're probably researching what sort of side hustle that you could do from home if you don't have any money. Now, I've tried a lot of side hustles. I've done drop shipping, I've done surveys, I've done e-commerce websites, and all of these will make you some money, but the profit margins tend to be so small, or you have to do a ton of volume to even make it worth it. I mean, if you're only making like $3 to $5 on every drop ship product that you do, it's going to take a ton of sales just to get you to a six-figure income. But I want to introduce you to something called affiliate marketing. And to me, this is the very best choice if you want to get started on a business that doesn't take any money to start and you can get going right away and start to generate sales. For example, you could start promoting a product on social media and generate free traffic from that social media just by creating valuable content that people like. And if you're doing it the right way with the right product, you could be making $1,000 commission per sale. So you'd only need like 8 to 10 sales every month in order to generate a six-figure income. Now you may be wondering, Scott, well, okay, the affiliate marketing sounds great, but what is it? Well, affiliate marketing is simply promoting or recommending products to people that will help them solve a problem or a need that they have. For example, let's say your niche is the weight loss industry and you are affiliated with a company that has a weight loss product that really helps people lose weight. You're going to create content about weight loss and teaching people about weight loss. And then occasionally you're going to mention in your content that you recommend a certain product to them. And this is the product that you're affiliated with. And because your followers, your audience has been getting value from you because you've been teaching them some things about weight loss, they're going to trust you and they're going to like you. And they're actually going to take your recommendation, many of them, and buy the product. And when they buy that product through what we call an affiliate link, you are going to make a commission on every single sale. So essentially, affiliate marketing is simply connecting people with a need or a problem to a product that is going to solve their problem or their need. So of course, there's nothing scammy or sleazy about it. It's actually people helping people to solve the needs and the problems that they have. So the first step in affiliate marketing is you want to pick a niche that you are interested in, that you have a passion about, right? So that could be weight loss, it could be health and fitness, it could be personal development, it could be making money online. Anything that you feel like you're passionate about, there is a niche out there. The next step is picking a product within that niche that you would feel comfortable recommending to other people. The next step is to pick a product within the niche. And I would recommend picking a very high quality product. You want something that's actually going to help the customers or the visitors to your website. And I'd also recommend a high ticket item, right? You don't want to be selling something that's just like $30 or $40 where you're making a $20 commission, because you've got to sell hundreds of those, maybe 1,000 of those every single month just to make a decent income. So some of the big affiliate marketplaces are ClickBank and ShareASale, and there's a lot of them out there, but some of the best affiliate programs are not on these marketplaces. You've got to go and search out for them yourselves, some of the very best ones that are out there. If you want to check out my recommendation for a really high quality affiliate marketing product, you could check the link below this video and see what I'm using to generate a six-figure income. But a lot of the brands and products that you already use, maybe you're interested in something already, a lot of them have affiliate partnerships. If you go to the very bottom of their web pages, oftentimes it'll say, affiliate link or affiliate program, and you could check that out and you could start selling products that you already use and that you already love. Now, I recommend selling digital products, products that are not physical inventory, because when you're dealing with physical products, you have a lot of headaches with keeping supplies and keeping inventory, and then you have returns and damage and all this sort of stuff. But with digital products, it's all delivered, electronically, so there's no inventory to worry about. Next, you want to pick your traffic source that you're going to, drive traffic from to your website or the affiliate offer that you're promoting, right? Right now, social media, any type of social media is absolutely key here, because statistically, 63% of people surveyed rely on influencers on social media to make purchase decisions. So this is a great place to be if you want to influence people to buy products. So whatever social platform you've chosen, you want to start creating content around your niche. Once you've picked the social media platform that you feel comfortable using, that you feel like your audience, your followers are on, you want to start creating content around your niche. And you especially want to focus on low competition keywords within that niche. So this means finding keywords, let's say on Google Keyword Planner, that you could sort as high to low or low to high competition. This means that you're picking keywords that have low competition, right? You can go on Google Keyword Planner and look for keywords in there. You could sort it by the competition level. And there's a ton of keywords that are low competition that really no one else is trying to target. So you want to create content about those specific keywords. Create a list of 20, 50, or 100 keywords that you could just systematically make a little bit of content about every single day. And as you create content around these low competition keywords in this niche, that will snowball into a flood of traffic that starts to come to your website. It takes a little bit of time because the algorithms of Google and YouTube and TikTok, they actually take a little while to kind of pick up on the fact that you're a content producer. But after a couple months or three, it really starts to give you a trajectory into some really good traffic. So affiliate marketing is definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm telling you that you do need to dedicate some consistent work to doing this for 3, maybe 6, sometimes up to 12 months before you really start to see the traffic come in and the conversions and the sales come in. But think about it, if you're making $100,000, $200,000 a year, it's totally worth investing some months like that if it's going to pay you that much for the rest of your life. And this is a proven method that you could see for yourself. Every time you Google something, which links do you click? You click one of the top 5 or 6 links there. And often, almost always, within those links, there are affiliate products that are being promoted, or perhaps that website itself has a product that they're selling. So without a doubt, this is a proven strategy. Whether it's on Google with search engine results, whether it's on YouTube, making a YouTube channel where you're promoting something, whether it's TikTok, where you're gaining a following, where you're promoting a product through your bio link, whether it's on Instagram, where you're promoting a product in a niche there. I mean, any of these platforms, they're going to take a little bit of time, but once the traffic gets flowing, it just doesn't stop. Now, if you want to get a jump start on this type of strategy, if you want to learn the step-by-step process by which you could really shorten up that amount of time that it takes to start getting the traffic flowing, to get the conversions going, to get the sales going. If you want to get the training and mentorship that will get you there as quick as possible, still going to take some work, still going to take some time, but you're going to avoid a lot of the mistakes that a lot of people make, I want you to check out my #1 recommendation for making money online right now. It's a training and mentorship program that gives you the exact blueprint that you need to start generating income online. Now, granted, it's going to take some work, it's going to take some consistency, and it's not overnight. But of everything I've researched and tried, this training will get you on the fast track to making money as quickly as possible. So I want you to check out the link below this video in my description, and there's no pressure at all. It's totally up to you, but I hope that you'll check it out and see what you think. Take care.